Hi everybody, Shawn.Mogenson here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here today to show you our 2003 Holiday Rambler. It's a Scepter 40. You're going to love this coach. It's beautiful inside and out. Come with me, let's go take a look. Okay, let's start here in the cockpit. You've got flex steel captains and passenger seat throughout in the front. Beautiful ergonomic, easy to view dash cluster there. Coming to the back, you've got a nice desk area to do your work at. If you want to travel while you're working, during the pandemic, that's a lot of people are doing that. You move back to the galley area. You've got convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and a very nice large pantry. Very nice sleeper sofa behind the driver's seat here. It's nice hide-a-bed, leatherette, full table. 2 chairs. We've got 2 more chairs in the back so you can seat a family of 4. 4-door Norcold 3-way refrigerator. 2 freezer doors, 2 refrigerator doors. This is perfect for full-time living or travel. In the bathroom area, you've got a glass shower enclosure. Nothing stronger than that on the market. Moving to the back, a full wardrobe slide on the passenger side slide out, queen bed, and a full hanging closet in the back. I know you're going to love this for whatever your needs may be. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking through this beautiful coach. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. Shawn.Mogenson, Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon, 541-780-4981.